Let's divide 320 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun math adventures on Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 320 by 2. We'll look at the first digit of 320, which is 3. We bring down the 3 to start our first group. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome, you're doing great. We have a remainder of 1. Let's move to the next digit. Now we bring down the next digit 2 next to our remainder 1. We have 12. We've got 12 to work with now. Look at that. How many times does 2 go into 12? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 6 times. Let's check. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract 12 from 12. What do you get? 0. Fantastic, you're crushing it. We have no remainder this time. Let's bring down the last digit. Last but not least, we bring down the 0 next to our remainder 0. We have 0. We're working with 0 now. Easy peasy. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtract 0 from 0. We get 0. You did it, so close to the end. We've used all the digits and have no remainder. We're all done. So 320 divided by 2 equals 160. Great job, everyone. We just tackled a long division problem step by step. Remember, every problem can be solved with a little patience and practice. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.